Okay, yes, we can start.
Oh, I don't think that's how it works.
Fuck यार, मेरी इंग्लिश भी खराब है, मेरी हिंदी भी खराब है.
मुझे आज तक अपनी DMs के replies नहीं आए. I'm just saying.
यार क्या करूँ मैं? बहुत ब्लूपर निकलने वाले हैं. मेरी एडिट में बैंड बजेगी.
I like funny guys a lot.
चलेगा नहीं चलेगा कैसे चलेगा?
Wow, don't put ideas in my head, please.
What's up? क्या चल रहा है Zoya? How's going in quarantine?
Pretty boring actually. I'm not gonna lie. Actually काफी boring है.
But I'm seeing some content coming out. काफी content आ रहा है.
हाँ, because that's the only thing I can do in quarantine. वही करना है. Because I don't have school going on right now.
हाँ.
Usually it's very pressuring because of school. But
Yeah.
I think it's better now.
So, but otherwise, okay. First of all, how old are you?
I am 16 years old. I just turned 16 2 months ago.
Oh, okay. 16. You are in 11th. Like you will be going in 11th.
I'll be going in 11th, yeah.
Okay. काफी interesting. क्या stream सोची है फिर?
यही क्वेश्चन है हर अंकल आंटी दादा दादी दूर के रिश्तेदार कजिन्स बट इट्स ओके अभी तक मैंने कुछ नहीं सोचा है काफी डिप्रेसिंग क्वेश्चन है बट आई एम लीनिंग टुवर्ड्स साइंस देखा जाएगा आई डोंट नो
Okay. So that's pretty interesting. तो साइंस के साथ YouTube चलेगा नहीं चलेगा कैसे चलेगा?
ये मुझे सबने बोला है कि साइंस के साथ नहीं पॉसिबल है बट आई डोंट नो मे बी पता नहीं बैलेंस करना है एंड एवरीथिंग दैट इज द ओनली वे
But I think कि अगर if you have managed in your 10th तो I really feel कि you will be able to do it. Okay, how do you define your content as, like your genre as?
I would say it's very in real life stuff मतलब lifestyle is an aspect of it of course but then उसके साथ people are more interested in my life for some reason what I do in a day how I do in a day what I eat in a day what is my workout routine so
इससे मुझे याद आया your first sorry to cut you but for your I think your first video which was I think your night routine या ऐसा कुछ and that has like over 2 lakh views or something ऐसा कुछ है जब मैंने पहली बार देखा था.
Trust me, that is not my first video. सारी privated है वो embarrassing पूरा वो चीज वो पूरी embarrassing दुनिया privated है. But one of my first videos that started to took off was my night routine and that stuff.
Oh, okay.
People really like that on my channel.
Okay, but when did you start? I want to know that. When did you start?
I started when I was about to start 7th grade. बट फिर मैंने वो चैनल बंद कर दिया बिकॉज इट वॉजंट रियली वर्किंग आउट वैसे ही था आई वाजंट गेटिंग एनी व्यूज नो वन वाज वाचिंग देन आई स्टार्टेड अगेन इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ 8th grade जब it really started took off and like in 12 months I had like 1000 subscribers.
Oh, that's great.
हाँ, so that's what happened with my channel.
मैं एक सेकंड के लिए zoned out, sorry. Oh my god. मैं पता नहीं बहुत zone out हो जाती हूँ. Sorry that. हाँ ठीक है मैं क्या कह रही थी. So okay, first let's just talk about how we know each other. And this is very random, like too random to talk about.
How do we know each other? Which
we
I'm
like,
going to tell the story.
Each other.
No. Let me start this story. I followed you first, and then you didn't follow me back. And for a long time, it was like that. And then उसके बाद, all of a sudden, one day you follow me back, and then you write ये सब कि hi, I've been watching your videos. I think you did that. I don't remember nicely, but I had been following you for a long time, and you didn't follow me back. This is what happened.
I'll tell you. I have my answers to this. मेरे को जोया ने मेल भेजा था for a collaboration yeah something like that.
Oh yeah.
And then I was like she is like कि ठीक है let's I was like okay इसने मुझे बोला था कि let's just get in touch on Instagram ऐसा कुछ and that's when I followed her on Instagram. मैंने कहा ठीक है बंदी क्यूट ही है करते थे दिखते हैं. फिर उसके बाद मैंने जब the next time when I saw her channel she was at around 8,000 subscribers. The next time I saw her channel she was at 80,000 subscribers. मैंने कहा बंदी ने करा क्या ये? बंदी ने क्या करा है? I want to know. Now I want to know क्या करा है इसने?
I mean, what happened was that I was like मैं regular pace पे grow कर रही थी और काफी slow
हाँ.
pace थी. And then what I did was मेरी cousin आई थी for vacations or something and she's like you should copy Avneet Kaur's Instagram. And मैं थी like यार कौन देखेगा, no one's gonna watch it anyway. But then we just clicked pictures and then we copied Avneet Kaur's Instagram and everything.
हाँ.
And that video took off.
Oh,
मतलब मेरे
yeah.
maths exam के एक दिन पहले मैं देख रही हूँ अरे views इतने कैसे बढ़ रहे हैं and everything बैठ के. And that video took off and like in 2 weeks I had like 10k. From 3k to 10k I went in like 2 weeks.
Damn.
Which is like very
Yeah.
fast for like a small YouTuber.
Actually ये phase वो भी था that when lot of people were recreating others Instagram and
Yeah.
that was like a
हाँ,
trend.
हाँ.
तो मैंने भी किया था भाई mostly same का. And it was very weird. I don't know why it's still there.
I'm
but
sure
okay.
it's not that
I
bad.
got a lot of hate.
You got a lot of hate.
Ah,
I mean,
you have no
trust me,
idea.
I did too. People are like, you should just try to be yourself. Don't try to copy others. I mean, that is the whole point of the video. Okay. But it's okay.
Exactly. ये मेरे को भी आया था. Are you trying to be her? I'm like no, sorry. So
Yeah.
anyway, I want to know how is your like environment in school or in general कि लोगों का क्या reaction रहता है friends का कि how are people around you
I think
in general.
हाँ initially when I started मतलब लोग बहुत बात करते थे and you know if one of your friends who is not exactly a cool person अगर वो YouTube पे जाके really cringy चीजें बनाने लगे you are going to talk about that so like I got like वैसे जो playful bullying होती है ना it's not like anything serious but like वैसे type का ही cringy and all that so that was okay that lasted for a little while लेकिन I think I'm at a point now where people don't care at all मतलब they don't give a shit कि क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं चल रहा है and I feel like I have some teachers who come into my class and the first thing they ask is like a new teacher came and then she was like don't you make videos on YouTube and that was like really weird for me. Yeah, that was crazy.
I'm sure. But this is so weird. It's like a teacher fangirling. Oh my
Exactly, and she was like, I saw your workout routine and I've been trying it for a few weeks and I'm like, no! My
That's
economics
embarrassing.
teacher coming to me and saying that. I know, it is.
God. But it's
But I was
fun.
like really happy at the same
Yeah.
point. Yeah,
It's
yeah.
fun. It's fun to see that okay,
is.
people. I am actually interacting with people who are watching my videos, and that's a different feeling altogether.
Uh-huh.
So
Yeah.
अच्छा I want to know like ये मेरे दिल से सवाल है ऑडियंस का तो होगा नहीं कि वो कि how do you like what was your first video you saw of mine?
Your first video. I think it was one of those street interviews which you do.
Oh.
I think those work out the best. I saw one of those. वो पहली video थी मेरी. And what I saw on your channel was that you had done like these collabs with like these really famous people. And I was like, ये कैसे होता है? Like really famous people.
I think I have to do a podcast around this that how I managed to do collabs with so many people. I have to do this and how I interact
I
with
know.
people.
I'm really
बहुत
curious.
people आएंगे. No, I'll tell you sometime. But this podcast is dedicated to you, so we're gonna talk about you.
Thank you.
I'll tell you otherwise.
Thank
बाद
you.
में.
Yeah.
But okay, now let's get more to YouTube. How are you like okay first of all मैंने ना तुम्हारा चैनल का बहुत एस्थेटिक जो देखा है it is a lot like बाहर के YouTubers like Indian YouTubers don't put vlogs का thumbnails and all like that
Yeah.
so like are you of course you are inspired by something.
Yeah, of course. I mean,
I was gonna are you are inspired so who is that somebody I want to know.
I mean, it's generally not like one person. अभी जैसे मैं जिस type के YouTubers को देख रही हूँ, it's more gonna be like them क्योंकि somewhere I'm not like trying to copy them or something, but it does influence you in some way, right? So
That's true.
उस time I was watching like these very aesthetic really internet aesthetic people and like Eva Gutowski and like Sierra Furtado, these people, and उनका देख के I started my channel and everything. पहले तो initially तो it wasn't even inspiration, it was like plain blatant copying. वैसे ही मैंने अपना start किया है, अब तो मैं embarrassed भी नहीं होती.
and all.
Yeah, all that stuff.
अच्छा, नाइट रूटीन से पहले क्या वीडियोस थी जो प्राइवेट है अभी?
Oh my god.
Just in general.
Oh my god, this is too embarrassing. This is, I don't think I've ever told this story to anyone, but like मैंने जब YouTube start किया था ना, I had like no inspiration of any kind. मैं initially आगे जाते जाते I started watching these other YouTubers and everything. So the first video I made, oh my god, this is so super embarrassing. It was basically like मुझे कोई questions तो भेजता नहीं था, तो मैं खुद से I used to make up these scenarios जिसमें मैं advice देती थी. तो like problem भी मेरी है. Advice भी मैं ही दे रही हूँ.
It's like you know,
It's
therapy session, talking to a camera as of a therapist.
yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
That's so cute.
Oh my god, it was so
And you were, how old were
embarrassing.
you in this?
Yeah, I was. The first video I made, I was 11.
Oh my god.
Really young, 11-year-old girl. अब they like छोटे से पुराने iPod पे I was filming myself really bad camera quality, not even landscape mode लेकिन portrait mode पे. That is how dumb I
Zoya
was.
Abbas, I'd like to tell
At
you
that
something,
time.
that you have made it from your vertical camera.
Definitely not. Definitely not.
Yeah,
made
you
it
are
yet.
actually what, close to
But we're
90k
getting there.
I think अभी है ना?
हाँ.
That's so
Close
cool.
to
I mean, I
90K.
feel like I think अगर तुम lockdown में if you're gonna continue doing तो 100k हो जाएगा. I have a really strong feeling. So
Hopefully.
just imagine you are entering your 11th and you already have 100k and your people around you
Wow.
are like, oh इस बंदी के पास play button है.
Wow. मैं तो
That's
play
how
button
just
लेके
imagine
स्कूल
me.
पहुंचूंगी. I'm just saying मैं तो play button लेके स्कूल पहुंच रही हूँ उस दिन.
See, I'm just imagining that if I were Zoya's classmate, I'd be like this. कि oh my god, इस बंदी के पास play button है.
Oh my god.
Okay, anyway.
Wow.
I also see this one thing, that you are one of those people who like almost doesn't get hate, and that's amazing. ठीक है.
Really?
Yeah, I have noticed this. यार मैंने like whenever I comment on your videos, I go to the comment section for commenting, and then I randomly see other comments. I'm like, oh भाई इस बंदी को तो hate ही नहीं आता. What is this life? Ask me.
No way.
The amount of hate I get, but then that's
Seriously?
okay. Yeah.
I always thought कि मुझे ज़्यादा hate मिलता है क्योंकि initially when I started my channel मुझे बहुत hate मिलता था, like barely any good comments. And I don't know when it switched and when it went to that point कि अब मुझे hate बहुत कम मिलता है, and because I was noticing for the first time.
I want to know about that now. कि क्या scene क्या है? Like first of all वो hate पे आता क्या था? And like how did you deal back then when you were what 13-14 years?
I think it was, पता नहीं, मेरे पास उतना ब्रेन ही नहीं था कि मैं उतने ऑफेंड होके दुखी हूँ, इतनी डम सी थी.
That's also true. That's also
हाँ,
true.
because you're
Makes
so
sense.
like you're a kid,
So-
you don't mind what people think and everything, and of course some people do. मैं ही बस वैसी insensitive सी
हाँ.
डम सी लड़की थी. I did not mind.
That's true. मेरा same है. Like I never really get offended. But जब कोई ना एकदम, it's like sometimes कुछ comment होते हैं जो एकदम ऐसे दिल में आके लगता है. Otherwise तो बोलता है अबे मोटी चुप हो जा. ऐसा कोई बोलते हैं सामने कभी यार ये कौन है?
True.
So I don't mind. But there are some comments which I don't know. They just attack you on some way or
I
other.
know. हाँ.
Okay. Now you're 16 and I have this very random question, like how do you manage everything, your studies and all of this? Matlab, I know that you are pretty irregular, sorry for mentioning that. But that's true. But otherwise how, but still पढ़ाई और ट्यूशन और ये सब के साथ मैनेज करना, it's not easy. I know that, I tried. So yeah, I also started my channel when I was in 12th, but मेरे से हुआ नहीं.
I I think I get this question a lot कि मैं manage कैसे करती हूँ. To be honest, I haven't had इतने management problems. मतलब some people, you know, they get this like pressure कि मुझे हर week upload करना है, and I have that pressure too. As a YouTuber, it is natural to have that pressure. But you realize how if you don't upload for a long time, the average amount of views वो नीचे चले जाते हैं, right? But for some reason that does not happen to my channel. तो अगर मैं late से भी upload करूँ and if I've like taken a long break, मेरे average amount of views उतने ही रहते हैं या बढ़ जाते हैं. It never goes down for some reason. And I hope I'm not jinxing this by saying this.
मेरे आसपास सिर्फ wood है.
But touch wood, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so basically वो somewhere that not having that pressure kind of like spoiled me. And last year because of my 10th I had like terrible uploads, like एक month में 2 बार कर दिया, and then I last month uploaded after 4 months या 3 months, and the views are still not down. It's
really
still the
great.
same amount I'm getting.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So no, coming to pressure, what I was answering the question is that कि मुझे pressure feel होता है कि नहीं. If I have like too much school work, if I have like exams coming up, मैं नहीं करूँगी. As simple as that. And मुझे बुरा feel होगा because I'm not putting out content. लेकिन मैं नहीं handle कर सकती हूँ. Going through that pressure is like really tough and all that.
Yeah. So what I'm figuring out here is that you have very good sense of prioritizing things in life. Because like if I am being honest, if I were in your place right now, like I'm in 10th grade and I'm doing YouTube as well, I have 50,000 subscribers, I would be like कि भाई नहीं, मेरी audience को तो content चाहिए मेरे से, otherwise they will go and I want to upload ऐसा ऐसा करके, तो मैं पढ़ाई से ध्यान हटा दूंगी. I know of that, and I think many kids, if anybody who's 14, 15, 16 watching and who is planning to start a channel, वो स्टार्टिंग में उसके पहले 500 सब्सक्राइबर्स में ही लाइक ओह नो 500 पीपल है, आई नीड टू अपलोड फॉर देम, उनका ऐसा हो जाएगा. सो आई जस्ट फील दैट यू हैव अ वेरी गुड प्रायोरिटाइजिंग वाला थिंग क्वालिटी इन यू. सो ये
I guess. I mean,
but again like इतना mature mind है, and like I see the maturity in your videos as well, because मैं 10th में थी, मैं ऐसे बात नहीं कर सकती थी. I'm not even kidding. मैं मतलब I have my vlogs from 10th grade when I tried my hands on vlogging.
oh, you do.
And they sucked. Oh God, क्या याद कर लिया मैंने. But anyway, I want to know, how do you have this really good quality in you कि like you're way too mature when you talk when it comes to a 10th grade. My brother is also in 10th grade and he is not at all mature.
I don't know, you say that. I have like never heard anyone say that about me. मुझे खुद लगता है कि I'm like super immature.
नहीं,
but I don't know how that happens.
15-16-year-old.
How do you say that?
On camera, you are really good. I'm not lying. मैं exaggerate भी नहीं कर रही. You're really good for a 15-16-year-old.
Thank you. That is really sweet.
I
have no clue how that
मेरे को
happens.
जानना है. How do you have this confidence? Like, are you doing some public speaking and everything in school in general? I'm just asking. मतलब कुछ तो होगा कि you have it in you.
I mean like वो सब तो स्कूल में सबने किया हुआ होता है, public speaking and all that. I think.
मुझे मौका नहीं मिला यार.
हाँ, I guess that is how you can say कि हाँ, I have done that. I've done that a lot. मतलब वो वाला थिंग तो मैंने पूरा किया है, स्टेज पे जा के बोलने वाला, तेज बन के जाके करने वाला, वो तो मैंने पूरा किया है. I think that is how I get that.
Okay.
Probably.
हाँ, okay, ठीक है, cool. This is the last question around the channel. Okay, so how do you plan to take your channel now? Abhi you are just you are in 11th grade and you are planning to take science. So this is all the more question I would want to know the answer to.
See, वैसे तो I don't think I've talked about this a lot, but you know how you feel at a certain point पे आने के बाद कि you are not happy with your content and it's kind of getting repetitive and वो सब. तो I have been having those feelings a lot, तो इसीलिए अभी मैं थोड़ा switch करने try कर रही हूँ. But the thing about switching stuff is कि you don't know how the people are going to react. तो मैं थोड़े थोड़े gradual changes कर रही हूँ. I'm trying to like move towards those videos जो actual daily life में करना ज़्यादा sustainable है, you know, and लोगों को अच्छा भी लगता है what I'm doing, वो सब देखना. I think with science
Okay, I saw your
I'm
last
moving.
video. वैसा कुछ.
Which one?
I saw your last video where you were doing like lot of things रात को staying
Yeah,
up all
yeah,
night.
yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so I feel like I'm
that
gonna
was
move
interesting.
towards like उसी type का. I'm going to move towards like vlogs, daily life, वैसे stuff, and people like that. It's yeah, so about that.
Okay.
I think.
Okay,
science
मतलब
subject
it's
is
like कि
easy.
you are kind of figuring out the content you want to put out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can say that.
Okay. And
Definitely.
do you like I don't know if it's a very good question. अगर ये मेरे को edit में अच्छा नहीं लगा, I would just take it out. But I want to know from a 16-year-old, how do you look at algorithm, YouTube algorithm? मतलब do you understand things and like how do you go about the technical stuff, वो सब? Because like मेरे को 16 साल में नहीं समझ आता. Just saying.
I know. मैंने कभी उतना फोकस ही नहीं किया algorithm के बारे में. And when people ask me if people ask me for advice and ये सब, then I get this question a lot. How did you get the algorithm right? How are you getting your videos out there?
Yeah.
And मुझे कभी उतना सोचना ही नहीं पड़ा about the algorithm and that stuff. Of course, अब मुझे kind of तो ideas है, so I'm like very specific with my tags. I try to be and everything. लेकिन पता नहीं, for me, you are right. You're the 16-year-old के age में you don't think about algorithm and that stuff उतना. So it's kind of just I've been lucky with the
I
algorithm.
wouldn't say that yeah, luck तो है, luck की बात है, but it's like what I see that again comment section is your key to validation. I would say that your audience is relating to your content.
Exactly.
That's what I feel. We're gonna move to the badmash bit of the
Badmash bits.
thing, and I want to know Zoya, आपने सबसे बदमाश चीज क्या करी है अपनी लाइफ में? What's the craziest thing? First, सबसे पहला सवाल.
I think पता नहीं, I've been like such a like वो सुधरी हुई good बच्ची all my life कि I think the first time like I skipped classes 10th में आके, तो ऐसी skipping classes like एक बार skip कर दिया ना तो वो ऐसे flow में होते जाता है. I think जितने classes मैंने 10th में skip किए हैं ना,
Okay,
I think that is the most badmash thing I've done, like skipping classes.
That's okay. यार ये इतना बदमाश नहीं है, but okay if you say so. Now यार मैं ना ये question पूछने के लिए थोड़ा hesitate कर रही हूँ, but then I'm like कि why not? Your audience might want to know this, so I just want to ask, like what about the male attention you get? ऐसा नहीं है कि you wouldn't be getting. I want like spill some tea, please. I want enlighten me.
Let me think. I mean, to be honest, my male attention side में my life hasn't been that bright yet.
Oh.
But I think so. Maybe मतलब वो एक तो social media वाला attention is different, and I mean मुझे अपने आसपास के जो है ना मेरे neighborhood में the male attention मेरे age के लड़के, I'm pretty sure those people find my videos very cringy. तो मैं try भी नहीं करती हूँ जाके. Because Loki, I don't know, I still am like very insecure कि अगर मुझे कोई personally जानता है मेरे videos देख ले तो फिर मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेगा. I don't know why I have that mindset, and I don't know, it's a very weird mindset.
Like I can put myself in your shoes and understand, but there is a little thing जो मैं अपने में रखती हूँ, and that's one thing I feel that I'm not sure, I'm not saying कि भाई मैं amazing हूँ, but I'm just saying that कि अगर अच्छा okay, before coming to this I want to ask you one thing, like when you watch your content what do you feel? I want to know that. फिर मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगी. I'm not doing a therapy, I just want to ask you, what do you feel when you watch your content?
When I upload a video, जब मैं उसी टाइम अपलोड कर रही हूँ तो that is the time कि जब मैंने अपलोड किया and that video is very recent, तो I'm like okay with चलो ठीक है, if they like it it's okay. But now when I go back and I watch मेरे पिछले साल के videos like फिर like 6 महीने पहले के videos, I genuinely find them interesting as something I would watch. तो फिर मुझे लगता है कि एट दैट मोमेंट में भी आई एम नॉट लाइकिंग इट, मुझे बाद में जाके लगता है कि आई वुड हैव वॉच्ड इट, क्योंकि आई थिंक इट्स माई सेल्फ, तो इसलिए मैं एंटरटेन नहीं होती हूँ खुद को सारी चीजें करते हुए देख के, बट आई थिंक आई लाइक माई
content. So that's one thing you should keep in mind. Ki if you are confident enough about your content, then that's the only thing. Because मैं literally अभी जाके मैं अपनी पहली वीडियो देख सकती हूँ and I'm like कि भाई उस टाइम के हिसाब से this is something really great I've made. And till date like जब मैं बोर होती हूँ मैं दूसरा content नहीं अपना ही content देख के खुश हो रही होती हूँ. This is very narcissist of me, but then I really enjoy that. I'm just saying, and I'm very confident about my content. Like I have seen people जो नहीं है अपने content को, like they upload a video then they never watch it. I'm like तुम कैसे खुद का वीडियो दोबारा नहीं देख सकते हो? They're like कि यार अब upload हो गया, and then there are also people who don't
get that too.
Also I have friends who don't like कि कोई I think I have a feeling that ये तुम्हारे साथ होता होगा that if somebody is watching your video in front of you, you wouldn't like that.
Oh my god, definitely.
I knew this. इसके साथ
एकदम that instant बंद करो. Yeah.
I've been so many YouTuber friends who have this thing and I'm like ऐसा क्यों? When मेरे सामने कोई मेरा वीडियो देखता है I'm like हाँ इस पार्ट पे देखना ये होगा. I'm like I'm giving spoilers of my own videos. I'm like
wow. That means you really like your content.
Yeah.
I want to be able to do that someday.
हाँ तो बस यही है मेरे साथ तो scene and I just want you to know कि just have faith in what you do. मेल अटेंशन आ जाएगी. मेल अटेंशन आ भी रही हो है मुझे पता है. I know the male attention you have, okay? And you also know why I know it.
Ooh.
मैंने इतनी बार इसको DM किया है कि you know this person wants to talk to you. This person wants to talk to you. Please बात कर लो. Please बात कर लो. I'm being the middle person here. दो जोड़ों को मिलाने की कोशिश और ये बात ही नहीं करती. मैं क्या करूँ?
I'm just waiting for Carrie Minati to be honest. Carrie Minati, please listen to this and follow me back. Age difference नहीं है Carrie Minati. It's okay.
We have it here, guys. इस पॉडकास्ट का टाइटल होगा Zoya Abbas crushing on Carrie Minati.
Wow.
That's it. I got my title. That's it. What else do I need? Wow. Oh God, मजा आ गया मेरे को. So yeah. अच्छा, by the way, what is your sleep schedule like अभी?
I go to bed at 6, not at night but in the morning, and then I wake up at like 4 in the daytime.
Everybody's sleep cycle is similar, man. यार ऐसा पता नहीं क्यों हो रखा है. But चलो, I think this phase will also get over. What is like चलो what is your family like? क्या scene है? They are okay with you doing this? पढ़ाई के लिए बोलते हैं, क्या करते हैं?
I think like I told you कि like I have a very good sense of prioritizing. So my family knows कि एक तो वो होती है वो Indian mentality की पढ़ाई is over everything else. So kind of I guess my parents aren't that very specific about my grades and everything क्योंकि मैं खुद से उतना initiative लेके I go out on a limb when I work for my grades and everything. But I don't know, I think they really support my YouTube. This thing they like really support it. Like if they meet anyone और मुझसे मिलवा रहे हैं तो it's gonna be like ये है Zoya, this is our daughter and she does YouTube. That is the second line that comes.
That's really
over
cute.
there.
That's
so
really
like they're very supportive.
That's really sweet. मेरे माँ बाप से कोई पूछता है सुकृति क्या करती है, they're like हम भी figure out कर रहे हैं क्या कर रही है, पता नहीं क्या कर रही है ये लड़की. So I'm like okay fine whatever. जब तक मुझे मना नहीं कर रहे हैं then I'm okay. That's it. So yeah. But that's really good that your parents are supportive. So you know like once they like they are there for you तो बहुत सही रहता है. Because there are people who want to do YouTube but then they are also figuring out कि यार parents क्या बोलेंगे, parents will be okay or not, because it's not something very conventional. Of course मतलब it's conventional भी छोड़ो, it's not something like even design or for that matter music या dance भी नहीं है जो तुम सोच सकते हो career है, ठीक है. So exactly. Yeah, that's really good. And like you don't put out lot of stuff on social media, I see. ऐसा कुछ इसका कुछ reason है क्या?
What do you mean like not a lot of stuff?
Like I don't see you doing like Okay, so this is my first impression of Zoya. I'm telling that you are very private, I would say. You don't put a lot of things on social media.
I mean I put out as much as I can about myself, but when it is like it has stuff involving other people, मुझे उनकी things को नहीं डालना है without their consent or them not being okay with it. So I think that is why you would say कि I come off as private, but I definitely try not to be. I try to be as open as I can.
ठीक है, that's also good. सही है यार. और पता हमारी फर्स्ट इंटरेक्शन कैसे हुई थी मेरी और जोया की?
Wow.
मैंने oh god, this is so random. Oh my god. So like we were on DMs, हम एक दूसरे से बात करते थे and I also like did a video with her. मैं कार्ड यहाँ लिंक कर दूंगी. But the thing was कि एक दिन she was on, but हमने कभी फोन पे ऐसे कॉल पे ऐसे करके कभी बात नहीं की, ठीक है. बट वॉट हैपेंड, एक दिन ये इंस्टाग्राम पे लाइव थी एंड आई वाज लाइक यार क्या चल रहा है, मैं भी बोर हो रही हूँ, लॉकडाउन नया नया शुरू हुआ था, हम सब बोर हो रहे थे. तो मैंने भी ये भी बोर, मैं भी बोर, मैंने इसको रिक्वेस्ट भेजी, शी एक्सेप्टेड इट एंड आई एम लाइक ओके, we are talking first time on Instagram live. How random it could get.
I know.
I'm like this is amazing and we didn't even realize हमने almost 2 घंटा, 1 घंटे का लाइव होता है. पहली बार ये गई, दूसरी बार मैं गई, then she sent a request and then we were talking again. तो हमने 2 घंटा बात की थी Instagram live.
I know.
That was crazy. And it didn't even feel like that. I don't know. It just, again, I have a connect with you for some reason.
It did not feel that long. It was like really fun.
Yeah. अच्छा था, मजा आया. It was really cool. मतलब मेरे को बहुत फन आया था उस दिन, मतलब अच्छा था. Like one of the lives I have enjoyed. Otherwise मैं generally सोचती हूँ how do I exit it. मैं कैसे बंदे को बोलूँ मुझे जाना है. Sorry guys.
Use this as your clickbait. पता है, use this as your clickbait.
क्या टाइटल क्या?
I want people. I like to avoid people. Sukriti likes to avoid people.
Okay, I want to know from you. Is there anybody वैसे like have you encountered somebody and you like यार मुझे इसको avoid करना है?
मैं तो पता नहीं, when I tell people कि मुझे अकेले रहना अच्छा लगता है, don't like conversations, people don't believe me क्योंकि when you're on social media लोग assume कर लेते हैं कि you are definitely an extrovert and everything. But I am so insecure about like picking up my phone and answering. मैं text prefer करती हूँ. पता नहीं कहाँ से मुझे इतना confidence आ गया था to like randomly add you on my life. Random adrenaline rush. पता नहीं कहाँ से. But
so yeah, इसको भी मेरे से connect है. ऐसी बात नहीं है.
हाँ, exactly.
So यार मेरे साथ भी पता है ऐसा सीन है. So there are times when like I am a very social person. ठीक है, मैं बहुत सारा टाइम मैं बाहर पड़ी रहती हूँ. मैं I'm never home. That's the thing.
Yeah.
But there is there are days like मान लो हफ्ते के 3 दिन ऐसे होते हैं when I don't feel like doing anything. Like I want to go out. Like I am a बाहर का person. I cannot stay home. But I have no idea lockdown कैसा निकला है मेरा. ओ भगवान. But I would want to say कि मेरे साथ भी ऐसा है कि I would go out, sit in a cafe alone and probably not do anything. मतलब मैं generally edit कर रही होती हूँ कुछ time pass के लिए, but then I would just want to go out and do nothing at all. ऐसे coffee ले लिया, अपना पी रहे हैं and just thinking about life. I'm sounding very old, but that's what I do. This is something I do. So yeah. ऐसी बताने का मन था तो मैंने बता दिया. मैं कहा अपने से दिल की बातें शेयर कर रहे हैं अकेले रहने वाली. So this is the last question and then we'll wrap up. What was your first impression of Sukriti and current impression?
पता नहीं. I think to be honest, when you didn't follow me back, that really hurt.
यार मैं बहुत लोग को नहीं फॉलो बैक करती हूँ. फिर मेरे को लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं. फिर मैंने कहा यार देखो मुझे ना अपनी फॉलोइंग थोड़ी कम रखनी है. फिर मैंने कहा कम रख के क्या उखाड़ लूंगी मैं, अपनी भी फॉलोअर्स कम कर रही हूँ ना. तो मैं कर देती हूँ अब सबको फॉलो. चलो that's a secret guys.
Yeah.
Okay, हाँ. तो वो मतलब what was your first thought कि अच्छा सुकृति में attitude है. Okay, that's the first thought.
नहीं, I wouldn't say attitude, but like kind of. थोड़ा
okay.
sugar coat करके मैं attitude बोलना चाहती हूँ.
Okay, ego है.
But नहीं,
ego है,
नहीं.
बंदी में ego है.
थोड़ा सा मतलब I mean you were like a pretty big YouTuber. मतलब पता नहीं, I had like 3,000 followers or 4,000 on Instagram and you had like 11,000 or 10,000.
And अभी I am at 13,000.
K का साइन आ जाता है.
Zoya, give me some clout, please. What is your current impression of Supriya?
I think पता नहीं कैसे we really vibed. वही पहली बार से बात करके I've been like so comfortable with you ever since. I don't know how that happened, but like you have like that presence where you make people really comfortable, I think. And especially a person like me, to be honest.
ये तो फिर कॉम्प्लीमेंट हो गया कि जो इंसान थोड़ा सोशली उतना नहीं है एंड देन आई एम मेकिंग कंफर्टेबल देन
Exactly.
कंफर्टेबल और भाई इंग्लिश प्रॉब्लम ओ शिट एनीवे समझ गए बात सो ओके one advice you want to give to anybody who's starting off right
Okay.
now like at a age of 15 16
Okay.
14 15 16
Wait, so I think it sounds so cliched, ये be yourself वाला पूरा thing and everything, but I think it is also very true at this point. What do you think? कि मतलब true है ना कि you should be yourself. क्योंकि if your videos don't reflect who you are as a person, your audience won't be able to relate with your videos.
Yes.
I think.
That's true. काफी मतलब दिस इज रियली ट्रू. लोग कहते हैं कि यू नो बी योर सेल्फ एंड देन यू कैन डू इट बट वन थिंग आई वुड से कि एट दिस स्टेज लाइक वेयर यू आर एट राइट नाउ यू अगेन यू नीड टू हैव द राइट माइंड कि चीज़ों को प्रायोरिटाइज कैसे करना है, हाउ टू टेक थिंग्स, बिकॉज लाइक दैट्स समथिंग दैट्स अ क्वालिटी दैट हेल्प्ड यू. ठीक है कि अगर कोई इंसान 16 साल में कर रहे हैं देन दैट पर्सन लाइक कि नहीं पढ़ाई तो आगे मेरे काम आएगी ही नहीं, यूट्यूब ही आएगा, तो बहुत गलत सोच रहे हो. सो दैट्स वन थिंग आई वांट यू गाइस टू.
I have seen people do that a lot.
So,
and
by the way, like
yeah.
what do you want to do YouTube full time? Like this is a very random question.
I don't think I want to do YouTube full time, to be honest. अभी तो at this point तो it's definitely a no for me. क्योंकि I don't think I will be very comfortable doing that for my whole life. लेकिन but I want to do it my whole life, but not as a full time thing, definitely.
Okay, that's nice. मेरे को मतलब जनरली लोग कहते हैं कि नहीं मेरे को YouTube full time ही करना है. This
I
that.
know. मेरा ओपिनियन काफी
really good. तो मतलब क्या प्लान क्या है? पहले प्लान क्या है?
अंकल आंटी वाले डिप्रेसिंग कैटेगरी क्वेश्चन से आ गए. But it's okay, I'll answer it. Wait, so I think I want to go to college. अभी तक मैंने अपना मेजर या वैसे वो डिसाइड नहीं किया है what I want to do, मेरा मेजर क्या होगा and all that. But I definitely do want to go to college and अभी सब कुछ काफी unsure है and I think it's okay to like explore, keep my options open and everything. अभी तो मैं भी ये भी sure नहीं है कि मैं arts लूँ या science लूँ. Like I am that level of unsure.
That's okay, I think.
तो फिर
you will figure out things.
Yeah. To summarize what I just said, I want to say कि when I started my channel and everything and जब मेरे पास like 1K या 500 थे, अगर I would have been then जिस point पे मैं अभी हूँ, I was like कि मुझे ये करना है, मुझे I want to drop out of school, I want to just do YouTube full time, school कैसे चाहिए and everything. But I don't know why I had like that sudden change जब मुझे लगा कि I don't know, maybe social media, you know, it's a very tricky thing to be honest. And everyone talks about how tricky it can be for your mental health and everything. And to be honest, I have felt it at times. इतना कुछ serious, intense type का trauma नहीं है, but like I have felt it at times. But yeah, I think that is why I decided कि it's definitely a good thing to have for me. For me, I'm only speaking for myself on the side, and like pursue other things as well. ताकि my life isn't like dependent completely upon कि मुझे इतने amount of views नहीं मिल रहे और वो stress नहीं रहे मुझ पे कि if I'm not doing this good तो it's all a waste of time and everything. मतलब not to have that stress, I think I'm pursuing too.
That's a very good thought process to have. बिकॉज दिस क्वालिटी आई डोंट हैव. बिकॉज अगर मेरे इतने व्यूज नहीं आते, आई एम लाइक मैं गुस्सा हो गई. I'm sad. That's like how I would say it. So yeah, मैं बहुत stress हो जाती हूँ when I don't get views and I'm like क्यों नहीं आ रहे. But then I'm like कि okay fine, I am happy with the content. Like that's how I keep myself happy.
Yeah.
So it's okay. So yeah, that's good. And सही है यार. I like how you think. I like that.
Thank you.
तो हमें
Thank you so
काफी आज
much.
का कंटेंट ये मिला है, हाउ जोया थिंक्स. वी आल्सो गॉट टू नो अबाउट हर क्रश कैरी मिनाटी. अच्छा, व्हेन डिड यू लाइक, कैसे ये क्रश हुआ? द ओनली मेल अटेंशन, you know, the only person she gives
Carrie
attention
Minaj.
to is एक बंदा वो भी. I'm not putting it right words man. Fuck यार, मेरी इंग्लिश भी खराब है, मेरी हिंदी भी खराब है. जिस इंसान को ये बंदी अटेंशन देना चाहती है लड़कों में, वो है कैरी मिनाटी.
Wow.
यार क्या करूँ मैं, बहुत ब्लूपर निकलने वाले हैं, मेरी एडिट में बैंड बजेगी.
Yeah, basically, it's not like a very.
When did this प्यार
It's
generate?
not a very serious, intense crush. I just watch Carrie's live a lot of times. उसका gaming channel.
Okay.
And मैं इतनी cool तो हूँ नहीं खुद gamer बनने के लिए. तो Twitch and YouTube पे जाके मैं gamers को देख के खुश होती हूँ. So yeah, I really think I like funny guys a lot. Carrie seems
You know,
like a
I
very
feel
funny guy.
if one day you randomly send him a super chat saying, "Ask me out, Carrie," I think it will work out for you. I'm just saying.
Wow, don't put ideas in my head, please.
Oh God, इसका टाइटल होने वाला है Ask Me Out, Carrie. Oh God, what is this? What am I
For
doing?
sure. Jokes apart, let me just say Carrie Minati
Yeah.
is already dating someone.
Oh my God, is that
That's
true?
the tea. I
How?
don't know. I've seen like rumors on the internet. Carrie Minati is dating someone. So yeah, Carrie Minati's girlfriend. Please don't come for me. I am sorry. I'm not
If
trying
this
to
rumor is true, then that's really sad. मेरा दिल दुख गया. Carrie, can I have all my super chats, please? इसके लिए नहीं दिए थे. Anyway, that's jokes apart. Okay, I love Carrie. We still प्यार you. There's nothing else.
Yes.
हम आपको एकदम रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं एंड इसी रिस्पेक्ट के साथ हम इस पॉडकास्ट को एंड करने वाले. इट वाज अ वेरी फन कॉन्वर्सेशन. मुझे लगा नहीं था हम इसको 50 मिनट से ऊपर खींच लेंगे, बट ओके.
What?
We have recorded for over 50 minutes and I don't know how will I make it 30 minutes. Let's see how we're going to do this. But it was fun.
Wow.
Well, yeah, this is the connect we are talking about, you know. We don't realize
Yes.
how long we've been talking and बातें चलती रहती हैं. चलो let's just pause. दोनों सब कुछ ऐसे pause कर दो, end कर दो.
Okay.